How to find Cash App card if lost. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will see how we can find Cash App card if you have lost it. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. If you have lost your Cash App card, you do not have to panic. All you have to do is simply report to the Cash App support to access or to find your Cash App card. For that, you can either go to the application or via browser. If you have access to your account on your application, simply head towards the application. If not, open up a browser. Now head towards the Cash App support. Simply search for Cash App help or Cash App support. Now head towards this support link. Tap on it. Then scroll down and tap on contact support. After that, you'll be prompted to log in into your account. So log in with your phone number or email associated with your Cash App account. Once you're logged in successfully, now navigate to the Cash Card section under the category. Then you have to select the option as card lost or stolen. Now you have to follow the on-screen instructions carefully. If you want to lock your card, head towards the option, or if you want to replace a card and if you want to request for it, head towards the request a replacement card option. After that, you may be prompted to enter your cash tag. Enter the correct cash tag. Also, you may be prompted to enter your last four digits of your old card. If you know it, provide it as well. Now, you have to give a clear explanation why you have lost your card and why you want to get a replacement. So provide a valid reason. Once you're done with that, you have to send it to Cash App support, and then Cash App support will get you back with the solution. And while waiting for your new card, you can still use your virtual card inside the Cash App or link it to Apple Pay or Google Pay. That's it. That's how you can recover your Cash App card. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.